We're here today to celebrate Impact Corry's Legacy Committee. It's comprised of a bunch of different interests, from snowmobiles and Climax A engines to the Rail Trail Park, which will be in these 2-block area, as well as the Erie to Pittsburgh Trail and connecting to the Industrial Heartland Trail. Tonight we celebrate a great new informational panel that talks about the park, as well as a bike repair station. This is going to be here to support bikers as we grow.
I saw this quote and I immediately thought of Corry. It said, "Honor the past, celebrate the present, and embrace the future." And I think that describes what you see here.
We're standing at the junction of the 2 railroads that go back to the oil days. And it was the intersection of those 2 railroads that Corry came about.
Corry has a great history, and I think what they're doing here in terms of highlighting that history will bring more people here.
We are purchasing from Palmer, Alaska, one of the only Climax A locomotives left in the world.
Climax locomotives were all built here in Corry between the late 1800s into about 1928. There were 3 different models, A's, B's, and C's. The A is the way that we are going for. Obviously, if it wasn't for the rails, we wouldn't be talking about a bike trail.
Since a lot of this is focused around what we used to be, and now we're going into what we want to be, what we want to become, we kind of focus that into the design too. So first you see the Erie to Pittsburgh Trail, then you see Corry's past, and then you move into what we are hoping for the future.
Just as Corry was a junction for industry and manufacturing, Corry can now be a junction trail for bikers and walkers.
We really encourage people to get out and move naturally, so having a great trail system supports that.
We also use it for snowmobiling, so it's multi-use. You can also cross-country ski, you can horseback ride.
You know, we want people to be out, engaging with other people, building connections within the community, getting to know their neighbors. We can't do that if we don't have good trail systems.
It's not just about walking more and eating better, it's also about having a sense of purpose, about volunteering, about bringing the community together through connections, and all of that makes a community much more vital and I think a much better place to live.